Hey everybody, this is Sheri Traxler with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. I have folks who say, what are you growing this year in your garden? What's happening in the fall for your garden? Well, I thought, might as well come out on this beautiful day and show you. So let's get to it. This is one of the sweet potato beds. And sweet potato vines, as you see, grow really tall, so we have trellised those up. This would normally be our trellis for our beans, our pole beans, but we didn't grow those this year because life was busy and we had to set priorities, which is another video on priorities. We had to set priorities of what we were going to grow and what we weren't going to grow this year, because every plant, every new vegetable that you grow brings its own set of pests that you have to deal with, your own set of types of harvesting. So we were very picky about what we planted this year, but my Japanese sweet potatoes, those are not an option. So this is one bed of sweet potatoes. I'm going to take our camera and show you the rest. Well, here we have some of the holy basil that is growing, and also parsley. And I'm going to break this off because I want to show you, this is a parsley worm caterpillar, and from what I understand, this is what becomes a beautiful monarch butterfly. So as long as they don't demolish all of our parsley, I'm okay with a few of them because those butterflies are so beautiful. In the background, you see some cherry tomatoes. That we did not intentionally plant. That came from a different bed this year. That last year we had planted across the garden in a different place, cherry tomatoes. And this one just sprung up this spring for us, volunteer. Don't know how the seed got over there, but we ended up with a plant that we didn't even have to work for at all, showing up. And we've enjoyed those cherry tomatoes all summer. Let me show you the next part of the garden. This is the last of the summer tomatoes that we intentionally planted. In that same bed, we planted what was supposed to be a mild pepper, but let me tell you, they are not. They are as hot, well, they're much hotter than jalapenos to me. One of these in an entire pot of chili is spicy enough for us. If I find the name of it, I will write that in the comments section or in the notes below for you. This is another bed of those wonderful Japanese sweet potatoes that I'm looking forward to starting the end of October. And the bed beside that is some more holy basil. That was supposed to be cabbage or something that we ended up not planting this year. And I said, well, I've got some extra holy basil popping up, so I transplanted it there and it's taken over, and I look forward to, well, maybe I don't look forward to processing all of it, but I do look forward to using it this winter. These are the radishes in our fall bed, just barely starting to come up, and then tiny, tiny beet greens. I have no idea how tiny the beets are underneath those things. They're about an inch right now, the beet greens are. So this is our fall bed, and we're keeping it simple this year, just growing radishes and a few different varieties of beets, and that's going to be it for the fall. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe so you can be the first to receive our new videos, and until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.